make sure it's good and tight. You're going to push up on your spring, put your next bar in, rest it against the door, push up again. That's called a quarter turn on a spring. You're going to do that about 31 times for a 7-foot door. You notice we do have a chart on our website that shows you how many turns to put on your door. Feel free to use that anytime you want. For this 7-foot high door, again, we're going to go 31 times. 29, 30, 31. Now when you get to this point, take your bar out, let this rest against your door. Now we're going to tighten up your set screws. Make sure that bar is in there good. Now when you tighten up your set screws again, go till you hit the tube. Go about a half turn more. Hit the tube, about a half turn. We're going to come back to the next one, just hit about a quarter turn, make sure it's good in there. That's tight. Now we're free to take our torsion bar out. Make sure those are tight. Take your bar. You're going to push it up maybe an inch. Just push it up, slide this bar out. Very, very slowly. Let go. Make sure those cables aren't going anywhere. Make sure your torsion spring's not going anywhere. Pull your bar out. You're free to wind up your next spring. That's 28, 29. Now please notice when I'm winding these, I'm keeping my head clear of this cone. This is kind of the danger area when you're winding a spring. Just keep clear of this area here. If that bar were to let out, this is the last place you want to be. That's 30, 31, that's my turns. Now, I've noticed in a couple other videos on the internet, people hit this to expand that spring out. It's not necessary at all. As a professional technician, I've seen a couple of technicians do that. They get hurt pretty bad. If that cone was mismanufactured or something were to go wrong, it's fine. It expands by itself. So you're going to come back in here, take your set screws, tighten them down. Again, same as all the other ones. Go until you fill that tube. Right there, go about a half turn. Same as the other side. Hit that tube, about a half turn. Come back here, just give it about a quarter turn. Quarter turn, those are tight. You're free to take your bar out again. Put your bar in here, push out about an inch. Just enough to slide this bar out. Again, let go slowly, make sure everything's good. Slide your bar out. Alright, now that we got our springs wound, we're free to take off that vice grip that's holding on our cables.